Hello everyone, welcome to our series of Thoughts on Education. And today we invited our guest, Dr. Vidyanand Athwale, who is the Professor and HOD of the Department of Repertory at the Merchant Homeopathic Medical College. And it's really privilege for us to you being of the guest of our series Thoughts on Education, sir.
Welcome, sir, to us also.
So, sir, interview start with our first question. When you came to the college, what was your vision and how were you trying to achieve the same?
Our respected principal, Dr. Kailash Patil sir, when approached me and when he gave me the proposal to join this college, with the previous experiences and with his inspiration, I came here with the same vision that our students of this Merchant Homeopathic Medical College should be the perfect homeopath. They should have the fulfilled knowledge of the current situation as like corona and everything. We were trying to give the same knowledge, the perfect knowledge about the homeopathy, the practice of homeopathy, treatment of homeopathy, and through the repertorization especially of my department to the students, so that they should go in the society and they should serve the society better, because it is the basic inspiratory sentence of our college that we work for nation. Our respected principal sir is always inspiring us to work for the nation. We are preparing our students so that they should go in the society and they work for the nation, so that our society should be healthy, happy, and always healthy.
Really great, sir. So, sir, moving to our next question, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Nice. Our department is case taking and repertory, so it is the final year subject actually. When students acquire the preclinical knowledge of physiology, anatomy, and homeopathic pharmacy, then paramedical sciences they go through as like pathology, forensic medicine, and toxicology, and along with all this, the homeopathic subjects, homeopathic materia medica, organon, and the allied subjects like surgery, OBGY, medicine. When they are acquainted with the full-fledged knowledge of these all subjects, actually this is the time they are standing at the doorstep to go into the society. And so our department is the same, that is called as repertory, where when we collect all the data from the patient, we convert it into the certain language, repertory language, that is called as rubrics, which are in short the total picture of the patient, disease of the patient. And so how to collect that disease picture and how to match it with the drug picture and to find out the simillimum, so that the patient can get cure earlier and very simple way and with the simple line of treatment. That is our motto, and so we are trying to give that much knowledge to our students through our department.
Really great, sir. Okay, sir, so moving to our next question, what are the challenges you face to uplift the quality of education of your department?
Well, actually we are in the rural area.
Yes.
And most of all the patients are from also the rural area. So the very first problem actually we face, that the patients in society are not that much aware regarding the homeopathic treatment. That is the first problem we face. And when the patient comes to our hospital, their psychology, or they are not mentally prepared to expose to the many of the students, so that as our subject is the clinical subject, we have to expose our students to the clinical knowledge. So their subject must be, or object must be, the patient. When we actually interrogating with the patients should give their case in front of our patient, in front of our students. And that is only the problem, where due to the illiteracy or due to the ruralness, due to the as they are from the rural area and they are not having that much what we can say the knowledge, we can say that vision. Due to me, the patient, many of the students or forthcoming doctors are getting prepared. Lacking of that vision, we cannot expose the many patients to the students
Right.
nowadays.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So my next question is: being the faculty of the Department of Repertory, what are your role and responsibility toward the students?
Actually, being the HOD of this department, along with my colleagues, we always trying to give the thorough knowledge of our subject, as it is clinical subject, as I have already told. It is a clinical subject. So when my student will sit properly in his clinic and when he will face directly the patient, he should be well equipped with the knowledge, with the process of repertorization, with the sufficient skill of repertorization, so that he can come up to the simulum medicine, and so the patient can get well and cure and become healthy earlier.
Really great, sir. Okay, sir. So my next and the last question is: what valuable advice would you like to give to the students for them and to have the prosperous career ahead?
See, now this era is the technological era.
Right.
Education, along with wisdom, along with knowledge, and along with the technology, when all those aspects a student will occur within his student life, then he can confidently go into the society, and what he will concentrate upon his aim, that to cure the patient, to restore the sick to the health, he can do very well, because now the computerized era is there, and so he must have the knowledge of computer and techniques and different softwares, so that he can manage and he can serve the society very well.
Right, sir. Right, sir. A really great answer you have given, and this answer will definitely help to the student who currently pursuing or who aspiring to take admission in this institute. And sir, once again, I want to say thank you from the College Dunia and from my side for being the guest of our series and of our series Thoughts on Education, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.